Hi, I'm Don Carr, and this is the Boss DD7 Digital Delay. As you heard in the intro, this is a really pristine, clean delay. I had a lot of delay time, and I had a lot of repeats, and it really hung together, really stayed clean. It's got up to 6 seconds of delay time, 6.4 seconds actually. And that was probably, that was in the longer range. That was, as you can see, there's different modes here. That was in the longest mode, and then you can tweak the delay time through that. You can also tweak the delay time by tapping it, and we'll get into some of the features of this in a minute. So today I'm playing a PRS 513 through a Fender Deluxe Reverb amp. I actually have the verb off so you can really hear the delay. Here is the unaffected reference with the DD7 off. And here it is with the current settings. Boss does a great job of putting a lot of features in a little bitty pedal. That same pedal size that they've been making for decades, they managed to put more and more stuff in it. For example, this has only got 4 knobs on it. It's got the effect level and the feedback and your fine delay time adjustment. But this mode knob over here is kind of where all the action is, really. Right now you can see it's in long delay mode. There are shorter delay modes all the way down to 50 milliseconds, which will give you more of a gosh, almost a flanging kind of sound, almost a doubling sound for sure. There's a hold mode, which basically turns it into a looper. It's a single loop, but it's 40 seconds worth of loop time. There's a reverse mode, an analog mode, which simulates the DM2. It's nice and warm sounding, and a modulate mode, which is a modulated delay sound. Okay, let's take a listen to some of the features on this thing. Now we're in modulate mode, which actually adds a pitch-shifted signal, so it has a chorusy type effect on the delays. And of course, the more feedback and the more regeneration, the kind of wackier and crazier it gets. So I'm going to do some of that stuff, so check this out. Now I'm in analog mode. You don't get the full 6.4 seconds worth of delay time in analog mode, but this is the sound, and this is actually the max time right here, but it's definitely, you can hear the warmth, you can hear that DM2 sound. Analog mode is really good for the slapback kind of rockabilly sound too, like this, you know. Another nice feature on the DD7 is the complete dry kill. If you turn the effect level all the way up, you essentially kill the dry signal. So I'm going to do that in reverse mode. It's kind of a cool effect. There's an expression pedal input, and with an expression pedal you can actually control the delay time, the regeneration, and the effect level. You could also put a momentary switch in and do tap tempo with it as well. But another nice feature is that you can do tap tempo with the included switch. All you got to do is hold it down, right? 2 seconds. Now this is our current tempo, right? And I'm going to tap in a new one. Or you can tap in another tempo. And then to get out of it, just hold it down. All right, so there it is, the Boss DD7. If you have any questions about this or any other Boss product, please contact your Sweetwater sales engineer. Thanks. Hi, I'm Don Carr, and this is the Boss DD7 digital delay. As you heard in the intro, this is a really pristine, clean delay. I had a lot of delay time